Hey everyone, a couple new cars in the collection this week. First up, good old-fashioned diecast. This is the BMW E32 7 Series. E32 is the BMW platform code. The E32 came out in the 80s and was done about 92-ish, 93 from memory. This is by Minichamps. This is a re-release. I recently got this at Mint Models on sale. They do have weekly sales. This was at the time on sale for, I think, a little under $100. Retail is comfortably over $200. At the price I paid, I'm certainly not mad at to have good old-fashioned opening diecast. I don't know that anyone else really makes this subject matter. So we've got the little BMW toolkit. We've got carpeting under the trunk. We've got a carpeted trunk. I love the scale little metal trunk popper. Nice little detail. The speaker shelf, carpeted. Everything opens. You've got fabric seat belts, carpeted interior, all the stuff you want, all the stuff you used to get in Minichamps that you don't really get anymore. You have scale hinges. This would be a 3-liter straight 6. I forget if it's the M30 is the engine code. About 208 horsepower. What BMW does right are straight 6s. Again, scale hinges. Nice scaled BBS wheels. Kind of a nice, pretty, sort of like metallic root beer. Metallic eggplant. I don't know really how else to describe this color. Got some detail underneath. Just a really nice, classic opening diecast model. Packaging, very similar to the 5 Series I did a few weeks ago. I don't know why they show images other than BMW on here, but just a small little fully enclosed box, nothing too exciting. Next up, this is another top speed. I've been buying lots of top speeds on sale lately because I don't think they're kind of worth the $150 to $200 retail. But this is another top speed, a Fiat 500 Abarth. This is a higher trim level than we get in the States. I think it's called the S or the 595. Really neat car. Non-open mesh. So again, that's why I don't really see how this is worth almost $200. Very good wheels and tires. In America, this has a 1.4 liter, 160 horsepower engine. But like I said, I think this is a higher state of tune that the rest of Europe got on offer. Neat little car. I really wouldn't mind owning one in real life with a good old-fashioned manual transmission. Interior detail's pretty good from what you can make out. Really nothing to see underneath. It's not even numbered, but whatever. This is on sale at Replicars right now for $89. At that price, I'm not mad at it. Typical top speed black box. Not too much to see there. So that's actively on sale this week. I get a lot of comments asking where I get things. So if you do want to get it while it's on sale, it's at Replicars with a Z. So that's it for this week. Everyone please like and subscribe and have a good one.